Precision engineered. Built to dominate. Power designed without limits.
The giant emerges, ready to conquer. Power meets freedom across endless fields. Precision engineering at work, every mechanism performing flawlessly.
It begins with raw strength. Refined before transformation. Cut with unstoppable accuracy and treated in legume. Aligned to absolute precision. Forged under extreme force. The giant takes shape. Locked beyond limits. Built for heavy terrain dominance. Prepared for extreme impact.
Protected from the ground up.
Sealed in controlled fire.
Every surface perfectly placed.
Frontline power installed. Engineered to command vast fields. Secured for total command. The giant foundation stands complete. The heart of power enters the arena. The heart of power enters the arena. The core rotation begins. Precision in every motion. Sealed to handle immense force. Flow controlled to perfection. Gears ready to channel strength. Heart and drive unite. Boosting raw potential. Heart and drive unite. Temperature mastered under load. Motion transferred flawlessly. Every system flows in harmony. Power and control converge. Clean before the final coat.
The first layer of perfection.
The signature color emerges. Precision in every line.
Prepared for perfection.
The first layer of greatness.
Gloss locked in under controlled heat. Cured to flawless shine. Perfection refined layer by layer.
Every angle inspected with precision.
Ready for final assembly.
Foundations for unstoppable traction.
Every joint verified for extreme load. Comfort engineered within. Control interfaces seamlessly integrated. Command positions secured. Operations at your fingertips.
Precision guidance installed.
Comfort flows silently. Visibility engineered perfectly. Vision extends beyond limits. Sealed for operator safety. Illumination designed for every hour. Foundations of unstoppable traction. Vital systems filled precisely.
Electrical heartbeat established.
Power verified in motion. Secured for maximum load. Safety and performance confirmed. Every detail inspected. The giant unveiled. Every system ready, every surface flawless. Mechanics proven under real conditions. Operator comfort and control perfected.
The giant emerges, ready to conquer. Power meets freedom across endless fields. Precision engineering at work, every mechanism performing flawlessly. Every detail designed for dominance and reliability. A giant in every sense, power, precision, and unmatched craftsmanship.